Hi guys, welcome into our weekly live stream as always at 6 p.m. London. Today we're not going to have a lot of news. I will try to answer more questions that our participants ask. And the reason why is because tomorrow is a very big holiday in the US, Thanksgiving. And basically, all the companies, starting from grocery stores to businesses, everybody is closed this day. This is a very, very big holiday in the country nationwide that everybody is celebrating. Very family oriented holiday. People are usually getting together with their families uh, uh, in very close circles or like bigger parties and celebrating by cooking a dinner and just sitting with your closest ones and remembering the days and thanking the United States for being here, basically. Okay, so there's not much going on right now, and this is why I don't really have any news in the latest days because on Thanksgiving usually people start preparing the week of the Thanksgiving, and then until the rest of the week people are celebrating. So the Thanksgiving holiday itself is going to be on Thursday, but everyone has holidays from Thursday to Monday. So nothing is working. No, almost no events. We are even canceling our event on Friday because basically people are not going to show up, and I understand that because I wouldn't either. Nothing is working. Nobody's going anywhere. So that would be it from me. I'm waiting for questions. I know that we wanted to discuss some important questions this week that everybody was questioning about, and I'm ready to answer them. If Olga, if we have any questions right now, I'm ready to answer them. If not, I will raise the topic myself.
Rafael, I don't see any questions until now.
Okay. If even if we don't see any questions, I still wanted to cover this topic, and I know that we wanted to post it on in our main chats, and that way that people that are getting on the platform, especially that are new, and I'm mostly talking to new participants, we get a lot of questions about. Um, Listing of the token, about Launchpad's IDOs, and what are our plans, because people see that we have a listing of the token on our roadmap for this December, and a lot of new participants that are getting in doing tasks and earning tokens are asking what are our plans about further listing of the token. So I'm going to answer this question here on this live stream. So due to the conditions on market right now, and as we can see, most of the companies and people that were investing in crypto in the past few months, especially then when we thought that we were in a bear market, and this is the bottom of the bear market. A lot of people thought that, and there were a pretty large amount of money that was put in crypto industry in general. If we're talking about traders, we're talking about funds, and basically anyone that invested. And even though that people have invested in the lower prices during the bear market, we saw what happened in the past week or two with the situation with FTX and Binance, and everything went down even more. So I would say that right now, especially in the current situation, it would not be a smart idea to list on the exchanges or try to raise on the IDO platforms. The reason why is because even if you think logically, companies that let's say big companies, big crypto companies that are already on market for quite a bit of time were invested by very big venture funds from Bay Area and worldwide as well. Venture funds usually investing large checks, and sometimes they would start with, it could be a $500,000 check, it could be a multi-million-dollar check, it could be hundreds of millions of dollars. And when funds are investing, they're obviously waiting for their return to make profit out of the investment. And throughout the time of the bigger projects, a lot of funds did make money, but not a lot of them have exited. And because what happened lately, most of those people and venture capitals lost very big amounts of money. That's first of all. So the crypto market right now is not ready today, at this point, is not ready to start investing in other companies and supporting other projects just because of the situation, not because they think there are, there is no companies that are out there doing something good and they want to get in the round. A lot of times funds do want to get in a certain round of the project, and the project wants to raise, but it doesn't happen just because of the market conditions. And some people understand that, some people don't understand it, but I am trying to deliver this message that way everybody's on the same page. And also when I meet exchanges or listing partners on exchanges, and I do meet them all the time, whether we're talking about events or our events in the incubator. We had a couple of exchanges coming in to our incubator. We've spoke with OKX, we've spoke with crypto.com, we spoke with Coinbase Ventures and the listing department, and a bunch of small exchanges as well. All of them are trying to get new projects to get listed on their exchanges. And if we had, not, I wouldn't say issues, but if we had a situation where those exchanges are charging a lot of money to get listed on their exchange, now most of them don't charge anything. A lot of top-notch exchanges completely erase their price and are welcoming everybody for free just to get more users, just to get more transactions, because the crypto market, the amount of users, the users that they have right now are not being very active, obviously because people lost money and they don't want to trade, because first of all they pay for all the transactions on the exchanges, for all the swappings, and a lot of times it doesn't make sense to touch anything. You just have to wait and wait until the bull market, wait until the prices start to go up. So with this situation, it would not be a smart idea to list. Even though we can list, it's possible, it's easy, it's mostly free, and you're not even going through any kind of, I would say, serious like due diligence before you get listed anywhere. Even though it's very very simple right now, we're not doing it because it will hurt the users in general. It will hurt the token. It will not give any positive effect for the long-term life of the project. So we're not saying that we're not going to list or do the IDOs at all. No, we will. We just have to wait until there will be a better time to do so. And obviously, the community will know what's going on. We're not going to do it, before letting you guys know, and everybody will be notified, especially that people that are registered with the platform, especially people that have accounts and we have their emails, will notify you guys about the future decisions on listing or IDOs. But right now, I know a lot of people are going to say that this is not what we were waiting for, and obviously, I wanted to. I didn't want the situation to happen. We really did want to get listed in December of this year, but if we do so, it's just going to hurt all of us. So some people that are not understanding, um, I'm sorry, but this is the decision, and this is for the decision for the better, definitely. And people that are with us for a long time and understanding what we're doing, they obviously are attending, live streams, not only my live stream, but also Arthur's live stream. And at the same time, they're being admins of the chat. We're doing weekly meetings. And actually on one of the last weekly meeting, we did talk to our to our admins and this topic was raised, they were saying that there are some people that are asking, new people that are getting in the chats are asking how to, what are the time frames when it comes to IDOs and listings. And I did answer this question to my admins, and they asked to announce it on the live stream. That way it can be reposted in the chat. So this would be the news that I wanted to announce before the holidays, and that everybody is understanding and knowing what to expect in the near future of the next couple of months. Hopefully, if the market situation improves very fast, and I hope it will, you can never predict. We will resume this topic. We will. We already have spoke to a bunch of exchanges and bunch of platforms for listing. We have plans who we are going to work with. We even made certain agreements with certain exchanges. And we're going to resume these conversations in the near future once the market starts to improve, and we will see more traction in the trading part of the blockchain world, I would say, and list our token a little later. So that's all for today. Since we didn't have questions, I decided to explain this myself. And I want to thank Olga and Lena for being here on the live stream. I always also want to say that we're still going to, even though it's a holiday tomorrow in US, most of the users that we have on platform are not in US, and a lot of times, countries where they're not celebrating Thanksgiving. So we are going to have our admin meeting still tomorrow at 6 p.m. London, as we always do. I will also be going live on Russian-speaking live stream on Friday, and then also we're not skipping our next live on Wednesday at 6 p.m. London as well. I want to thank everyone who attended today. Even if the questions were asked, we're already not going to answer them. I will get in the chat and answer those questions once I see them. And these are the news for today. I always like and enjoy to be very open and honest, whether it comes to questions that are positive or negative. I don't think there are negative and positive questions, to be honest with you. But once I hear questions that most of the community is asking about or concerned about, I really like to put it out there, to be open about it, and to be straightforward and explain everything from the beginning, so it doesn't seem like it becomes a random news at the time when everybody expecting something to happen. Okay. So thank you guys, and I will see you, my admins, tomorrow at 6 p.m. London, and the rest of us next week, Wednesday, 6 p.m. London on live stream as always. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Rafael, for your explanation. Have a nice holidays.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.